How to create an account in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. After the game opens, you will see the option to create new account under the new player section and options to link your Google Play account or use an ID under the returning player section. Tap on the create new account button to begin the registration process. Next, agree to the terms and conditions of the game. Once you have done that, the game will show you the basic controls. Afterward, you will need to play a quick tutorial or intro game to move to the main screen of the game. Once you finish, you will be asked to enter your player name for the game. Choose your name and hit OK. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to expand the game menu and select Settings. Here you will see the Connect Account option which shows both Google Play and Link Data options. Tap on Google Play to connect your account. Once connected, your account will be linked to the game. Next, use the Link Data option. After tapping the Link button, you will see options to create Link ID or use ID to link account. Choose Create Link ID. Then enter your password for your ID. After tapping OK, the game will display your Link ID which can be used to link your account on any device. Now you know how to create an account in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.